Hey everybody, welcome back. So, today we are going to take care of Mom, which is a good thing. I get to spend time with her. I hate that she's down like she is, but anyways, so I am just gonna get ready and I'm going to use the Huda palette, the nude one. I have tried to film this like 3 times because because I just can't seem to make it work the way I want it to work. Does that make sense? Alright, I'm going in with some of this Tatcha eye cream that is almost finished. Using some of my makeup user products. Alright, so we put some of that under eye cream on. Now we will go in with some of our painterly palm. Yeah, you see that? I love it. I'm in love. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in love. I'm always in love with my husband, but now I'm in love with tattoo. Tattoo for you and tattoo for me. I've already put in some artwork for a second tattoo. Probably above this one. And yeah. Because that's what I want to do. Alright guys, so we're going to go in with this nude palette from Huda. I threw away the little plastic thing. So this is what the palette looks like. It does have a concealer in here, and as you can see, I've tried to use it, and I just don't think I must not have been in the mood. So I'm going to roll through this real quick. I'm going to turn some tunes on. I'm not even going to do a voice overlay because this is just going to be, I'll come back at the end and tell you what I think. And yeah. Sorry guys, I just need to listen to some tunes. It's one of those days. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, everybody, so my battery's going dead, so I kind of had to wrap it up. But this is the look I got with the Huda Beauty Palette. Actually, out of all 3 looks that I tried, this is probably one of my favorites. So, yeah. You know, I love all of her palettes. I love all of her stuff, so it's not surprising. I think I was just having a bad day when I was trying to film before. All right, everybody. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Mwah!